Hello, folks and professionals. Let's welcome back another important session. Here we're going to learn how to calculate due date. Okay, auto due date calculation. So, for example, certain date to certain months, certain date to certain years. You can simply able to calculate it. I'm just trying to explain you this. It is 100% useful functionality. If you'd like to learn these kind of skills, please subscribe my channel Raiju Skills, and let's try to go back to the session actually. Okay. So for example, if you see this, okay. So maybe like, let me try to make it customer buy date and a due date within 3 months. It might be for your payment actually. Okay. So how we can able to calculate this one. Okay. So let's try to, okay, let me try to highlight this. So, okay, or else I can take this also. Okay, probably this is the good one. So you can able to see this customer name and buy date from within 3 months. He's supposed to pay his payment date. He's supposed to calculate it. Okay, so what is that actually? What functionality which will helpful to you in Excel? So there is something called eDate. Okay, so how the eDate works, I'll show you with example. Okay, let's come here simply just, okay, so assume that due date within 3 months. It can be 6 months or 7 months. You can able to calculate it. Let's come here, select the e date. Okay, e date function. Come here. So what is the start date? That you basically you have to select it, and how many months. Okay, I required 3 months. It's simple. So 1st May, so then the due date will be within 3 months means August. In the similar way, if you apply the formula, it will be auto calculated. Okay. So for an example, I'm showing you. So May, June, July, August, 3 months, and the date will falls under like this. So let's try to calculate the same thing for 6 months. Okay. As an example, I'm just showing you in another column. So maybe come here. Okay, let's put the 6 months. That's it. Okay, so it will. So 1 second, this is something wrong. E date. Okay, let's choose the start date and let's choose the 6 months and close this. See? Oh, I got it. Why? Because it is happening. It should not be in general. It should be in date. Okay, this is also one thing you have to remember this. Okay, let's choose this. Let's put it the date. Okay, now you got a date, right? So this goes to November. If you want specific format, that you can able to change it, that you know very well. Come here. This is I have already explained. For example, I want date format something like this. Okay, so I can change. Okay, this is as easy as it is. So like you have to remember the edate functionality. You can able to calculate either within 6 months or 7 months or 1 month or 10 days, how you want it. You can try and you let me know your progress on this function learning. Okay, so here I'm just putting the playlist. Currently it is having 47 videos and probably it is 48 or 49th video. I'm just going to do some videos today. So please utilize this an opportunity. If you would like to learn Excel perfectly, please subscribe my channel. And thanks for joining this session. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day.